If you are a creator drowning in hours of long-form content like podcasts or webinars, I want to show you how to turn that archive into snackable gold without losing your mind. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Vizard, the AI workflow tool that is genuinely changing the game for how I repurpose video. Once you log in, you are greeted by a clean dashboard where your projects are neatly organized and ready for action. It is built for results rather than endless menus, so finding your templates or starting a fresh project feels snappy and intuitive. The real magic begins when you drag in a long file or paste a link, because that is when the AI starts scanning every single minute of your footage. It analyzes the transcript and automatically identifies the hottest, most engaging moments to slice into bite-sized clips for you. You can instantly choose your output style, like portrait for TikTok or Reels, and apply creator templates to get that polished look. Just set your language preferences and framing options, and Vizard starts doing the heavy lifting by packaging those clips for social media. For me, it usually cranks out 20 or 30 ready-to-post clips in less than an hour, which feels like hiring a professional editor overnight. One feature I use constantly is the virality score, which gives you a data-backed nudge on which clips are most likely to grab attention. It even auto-generates your titles and subtitles, so you are not left staring at a blank screen trying to write captions from scratch. Once you have your batch, you can toss them into the social calendar, which is a massive win for staying consistent across different platforms. It supports over 20 languages, so even if your content features international guests, the clipping and subtitling remain incredibly sharp. Sharing the output with your collaborators is just as easy as export, letting your team jump in and polish the final touches. Even if you only have audio-only files like podcasts, the AI can still find the golden moments and turn them into short, engaging audiograms. The subtitle tool is another total lifesaver, applying beautiful, animated captions to your videos in mere seconds. If you are starting from zero, the script-to-video flow lets you just describe your idea, and the AI drafts the script for you instantly. Whether you want a documentary look or something more cartoonish and playful, Vizard finds the right visual style to match your tone. You can even upload your own brand assets, ensuring that your logo, colors, and fonts stay consistent across every single video. Once the AI lays everything out on the timeline, you can easily trim sections, remove filler words, or tweak the script directly. What really makes Vizard stand out from other tools is its transcript-driven approach, finding contextually relevant moments rather than just emotional spikes. Many other platforms are clunky with subtitles or force you to use a separate scheduler, but Vizard integrates everything into one unified flow. That said, no AI is perfect, so you should always use your own human judgment to ensure the final clip fits your unique brand voice. Be mindful of ethics with things like voice cloning, and remember that long projects might need a little extra time to process. Ultimately, Vizard is a massive middle ground that automates the tedious stuff while keeping you firmly in the driver's seat creatively. If you have a backlog of content waiting to be shared, just upload one long video and see how quickly the AI can slice it into something post-worthy. I'll be doing a deeper walkthrough on that social calendar and cross-platform posting hacks in the next video, so make sure to stick around. If you have a specific video you want me to demo this workflow on, just drop a link in the comments and let's see what we can create together. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you streamline your editing process.